Cooking is like painting. Every great artist needs a great canvas. This is Oishi, an ideal pan for all passionate cooks and chefs. Equipped with an embossed surface, Oishi is made with Japanese precision and carbonated steel to be the most lightweight, healthy, and durable pan. The surface of Oishi is polished to perfection, making it naturally non-stick and requiring little to no oil. With Oishi, you cook easy and healthy. Add to that our embossed pattern and 5-layer surface, and Oishi will distribute the heat evenly over the whole surface. We made the weight and size option of Oishi spot on. The combination of the size, weight, and carbonated steel makes Oishi applicable to any heating source, from an oven to a natural gas stove and induction cooker. Cook your dishes on any hot surface you would love to. The results will always amaze you. It does not matter if you're a meat lover, a person with a specific diet, or just a food gourmand. You can cook any dish with Oishi. Oishi is convenient to clean and does not require any special treatments. We also pay detailed attention to our fully wooden handle by giving the right grip and length to it.
Konnichiwa, Leia here from the Oishi team. Our frying pan will dramatically improve your cooking experience. We manufactured Oishi with modern techniques and the latest technology. We used only the best and harmless materials to create the ultimate cooking pan. But most importantly, we asked over 100 early adopters and cooking enthusiasts to share their opinion and give their input. The results were amazing and everyone enjoyed cooking with Oishi. Now there is only one thing left: support Oishi and be one of the first users of this amazing frying pan. Let's cook together!